plays with my dick. Hey, she going ham on my dick. Hey, sitting on stand on my dick. Hey, she going ham on my, she going ham on my, she going ham on my dick. Hey, she makes some plays with my dick. Hey, sitting on stand on my dick. Hey, using no hands on my dick. Hey, she makes some plays on my dick tonight. I'm going in tonight.
She acting like an addict, thicker than Andy Rick, dawg. I met the boy in the 6 bar, measurements was in the 6, I like a side of the pickup, I just got Morty and Rick, he got me horny and ripped, like I just walked out the gym and the bitches just got it cause I took their gym. Give him a job and he gave me a rim. It was too long so he gave me a min. How is that possible? Give me a Kim. I can't describe it, just give me a pin. And why
he ain't get Tony but right now my wrist. Turn him to a dummy cause I got him slipping. Watching niggas funny, say I get the dick and turn it to a zombie. It's funny and clean.